Hello and welcome, this is Explain That, and this is a tutorial on how to enable dark mode on Instagram PC. Let's get started. So for the IG PC, you should go onto your browser and type on the instagram.com. Then head on to the search bar again. Type on not the parentheses but slash, question mark, and type on theme equals to, and type on dark. That should be it. That's how easy it is to perform a dark mode facility on your Instagram account on PC. As you can see, it's fully covered with dark mode and everywhere you go. If you want to revert back to light mode, that's also a case there. Just replace the dark mode to light one and refresh the page, and that's it. Congratulations, you've successfully made your Instagram on PC to dark mode. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.